breathwork, and hip openers. Live stream yoga class number 152 with an in-person community option. This is your sneak peek into the live stream room at the Guest Bungalow. Today's class was actually a hybrid, both live stream with an in-person offering. And honestly, I need to get more comfortable with the hybrid style, giving equal attention to those in person and those joining me live stream. So for the entire month of March, I have a scheduled hybrid. So I'm sure by the conclusion of March, it'll feel like riding my bicycle. We hosted Mat Chat, both in person and live stream before and after the class. And a lovely individual in attendance, physical presence, recommended a hip opening sequence and a focus on breath work. I love when individuals provide recommendations for our flow, areas of the body that need special attention, favorite poses. It really makes me rather happy to create a sequence on demand based on the needs of those present. So, and live stream, but that is a form of presence as well. My favorite portion of class from today was the focus on the breath work. So I'd like to invite you to breathe with me in this moment. You're welcome to get down on the yoga mat with me, but you don't have to. You could be seated in your favorite chair, as an example. If you're going to join me cross-legged, make sure the left leg is on top or in front for the females, and the right leg on top or in front for the males. Moving the meat of your tush to the sides to ground your sit bones, and I like to do a little wiggle to feel the bones interacting with your support item. Roll your shoulders back and down. Your head floats up like a balloon. Inhale to the count of 6. Exhale to the count of 6. You're going to bring your hands together, not as in prayer pose, but as though there is space. So your fingers have a rounded characteristic to them. Space to hold the most beautiful flower you can visualize. And you place that kind of between the chest and the belly, if you will. Rolling your shoulders back and down, your elbows are still relaxed. Making sure not to smash your flower. You feel supported in the hips, lifted at the crown and long in the spine. Focusing your attention on your breath, feeling your lungs expanding and contracting. To nourish your entire body with that vital oxygen. Your tongue should be placed at the roof of your mouth like a pancake, suction cupped in place. Your jaw should be relaxed, your teeth should not be clenched. Inhale to the count of 6 and exhale to the count of 6, all through the nose. Keeping the lips together. The breath should be even, continuous, and unbroken. Challenging yourself to take your yoga out into the world, breathing in this fashion as much as physically possible. Challenging yourself to notice all the moments where you accidentally breathe through your mouth. Perhaps when you're talking, and in this moment make a vow to talk slower, to ensure you allow the inhale and the exhale through the filter that is the nose, to protect your body from impurities, perhaps you begin to notice that you're breathing in and out through your mouth as you eat. In this moment, you make a vow to eat mindfully and slowly, to allow that breath to move in and out through your filter that is your nose. Perhaps you notice you're breathing through your mouth when you brush your teeth. And in this moment, you promise to brush your teeth more mindfully, to facilitate that breath in and out through the nose, even when your mouth is in an open posture. Slowly making the corrections of using the nose for the inhale and the exhalation. We've all heard the phrase, if you don't use it, you lose it. If you don't often use your nose, it may feel a little awkward at first, but I hope you stick with it and allow your nose to blossom and open up like the most beautiful flower you're envisioning within your hands. The more you breathe through your nose, the easier it will be. Research has been discovered and buried and discovered and buried and discovered and buried for way too long, indicating that perhaps the root cause of any and every problem is first an imbalance in the breath. And what a shame it is that we were not taught how to breathe when we were younger and every day to the present. May this experience change your breath for the better, slowly correcting your body to its point of homeostasis, allowing you to feel a sensation of grace never imagined before. Thank you for your time and attention. Thank you for slowing down to breathe with me. If you would like the complete 1-hour experience, which included a hip opening sequence, guided relaxation meditation, breath work weaved all throughout, and a mudra, the secret language in yoga, make your way to theguestbungalow.com and enter the live stream room. It's on demand now and forever. Wishing you a beautiful rest of your day and many blessings. Namaste.
Don't forget to stretch. Visit theguestbungalow.com today. We're open 24/7. And now is the perfect time to retreat. For ongoing inspiration, follow us across social media.